Let us see in this video how to create a cash account and an Imprest account. Cash account. Cash is the physical money or liquid funds a company holds for daily transactions. A cash account is used to record all cash receipts and payments. Imprest account. An Imprest account is a cash account funded with a fixed amount of money to meet small, routine, or petty cash expenses. Once created, it can be used for making petty payments and tracking minor expenditures. Let us take one cashier and one employee. Cash name, Cashier Ambather. Employee name, Srinivasan. Log in with the username and password of the creator's login to create a cash account. Click on the Login button. Click on Global Setup, navigating to the Cash and Imprest screens. Click on the Add button to create a new cash account. Choose the unit location of the cashier holds. The unit will be updated automatically. Enter the cash ID manually. Enter the cash name manually. Choose the employee who holds the cash. Address details will be updated automatically based on the unit location. Telephone number will be updated automatically. Edit the telephone number if required. Email ID will be updated automatically based on the unit location. Choose the GL group. When the cashier is activated, the system will automatically create a GL account under this group. Choose the territory and payment term. Click Save. Enter the payment and receipt prefixes. Click Add to enter the payment and receipt prefixes. Cash limit control. Current balances will be updated under Current Balance, BC amount, and DC amount. Per transaction limit, specify the maximum amount allowed for each payment or receipt transaction in the cash account. The per transaction limits for both payment and receipt will be updated automatically by the system, with the default transaction limit set to $9,999. Daily transaction limit sets the total limit for all transactions in a day for supplier payment, customer receipt, employee payment, and payroll. Maximum balance limit. The highest amount of cash are funds that can be held in the account at any given time. This helps control excess funds and ensures proper cash management. Click Activate to activate the cashier. Cashier has been activated. Thank you for watching this video.